You want to say it with me? 1, 2, 3. Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel, Nourished with Love. My name is Kathleen Love. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner. This is my son Jude, and we are here today on a gorgeous, gorgeous, very warm summer day in Washington. Originally, I was planning on filming a cooking video, but girl, it is warm and I don't really want to run my oven or my stove or be around any of that. So I thought it would be fun to give you some ideas on how to get your kids interested in different fruits and vegetables, and one specific way that I do it. I have a lot of different suggestions and a lot of different ways that I get my child involved. One way that I get him interested in different fruits and vegetables is with a produce box, kind of like a CISA. Personally, I do Imperfect Produce. This is not a sponsored video, but I really do love the company and I love what they're doing. Basically, they are sending fruits and vegetables that are maybe a little bit ugly or that stores have too much of and that would just otherwise go to waste. And so it comes to your door. It's absolutely perfect. It might look a little funny on the outside, but what you're getting overall is the same. It's great. And yeah, so today I just wanted to show Jude unboxing our weekly Imperfect Produce box. So I thought that that would be fun, and he loves doing this. It's a great way for him to kind of get his hands in and get him interested, and I thought that having him unbox it for you would really be able to demonstrate how excited he gets and how interested he is in what food comes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. So the box just shows up like this on your doorstep. You can do weekly or bi-weekly. We personally do weekly. And so go ahead, Doodle, open it up. It's okay, I can help a little. There you go. What did we get this week?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? Wow, what is that? Look at, what is that? Is that chard? Mmm, that looks beautiful. What is that?
I don't know.
Those are radishes. Mmm. Do you know what that is? Greens? What kind of greens? Smell it. That's cilantro. Mmm, that smells so good. What do you think's inside there? We'll have to open that. I'm not sure.
I want.
You want to see?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? What kind of tomatoes?
Okay.
Oh, they're in a grate. So you know what? Let's go ahead and actually leave those in there. But oh, those are actually, those are gonna be yummy. Even though we have so many tomatoes in the garden already. Okay, we'll get those out in just a second. Let's see what else we have in here. What is that?
I don't know.
Is that cabbage?
Cabbage.
Is that what we make sauerkraut out of?
Yeah.
Mmm. What else do we have?
Pepper.
Peppers. What color peppers are these?
Red.
So as you can see, I mean, they're a little funny shaped, but they're totally fine. They're great. Oh, wait, what's this? That's a new one.
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's eggplant.
Oh.
Oh, are you already starting on one?
What's that?
That is a mango. So this one we don't eat the skin on. What else do we have in there?
More mango.
More mango. What else?
And that.
Limes. And it was at this point that I lost the rest of my footage. But after editing it and watching it and seeing how cute my son was, I thought that the footage that I did get was too valuable not to post. So I hope that you enjoy it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, and make sure you click the bell so that you get notifications every time I post. Until next time,